Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to share your account, how to collaborate with a friend at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to click Login. And that takes us to Dashboard on the main menu. So to collaborate with a friend to share your account, you're going to go to the Manage Accounts button. Quickly though, we're going to visit our website button. These are the editing tools for editing your website. We're not going over those today. We are going to take a quick look at our website. This is our webinar outdoor scenes, one of the 3 or 4 websites we work with. We created this blog post, and the blog post is on how to share your account. And to find these written instructions here, if you're watching the video from our help site at help.dataczar.com, you'll find the written instructions right underneath the tutorial video. So the reasons are that you would like to collaborate with a friend, coworker, family member, you're hiring someone to work with you on your website, your friend or family members, are helping you with your website, something like that. So here are the written steps, and there's a couple different ways to do this. We're going to go over this in the tutorial video. So let's tab back over. We started on Dashboard. To share your account, you're going to click on the Manage Accounts button, and we're going to click on the blue Users button. And there's 2 different ways you can do this. You can either create an invitation link to share your account, or you can email an invitation link. First, let's click on Email Invitation Link. So what you do is you enter the email, example@example.com. And then we just click on that and it emails the invitation link. Now we're not going to do this today. What we're going to do is we're going to create an invitation link to share the accounts. Let's click on that. And this is the link here, and there's a drop down over here to the right. Just click on Copy Link. That's copied to our clipboard. So let's go back out of full screen. Let's log out of our webinar AAA Outdoor Scenes. And we're going to go to a new tab. And we're going to enter the link. And then we're going to create a new account like we are the person that the account is being shared with. So let's create a new account. Stefan Webinar. Email address. Let me just grab it here. And password. Confirm. I'm not a robot. Chimneys. I think I got them. Verify. And register. Okay, so what it does is it takes you to a confirmation. You need to confirm your phone number. So let me enter my phone number. And we're going to send an SMS text to my phone. Let me click on that. And the code is 7445. So the person that you're sharing with will go through these steps. And they're going to create their own account. So when they create their own account, the person that you're sharing with, they'll have access to all of these buttons just like you do. The only difference is that they won't have your password. So now we're on Stefan Webinar. So I'm the person that you shared the account with, and I have access to all of these, so I can access the website button, help build your account and that sort of thing. So let's go ahead and let's log out here, and then let's log back in to my regular account. So try to do this quickly. Password. Okay, so we're logged back in to the regular account as Webinar outdoor scenes. This is where we left off. And if we go back to the Manage Accounts button, you'll see under Users, we have a new user, which is Stefan Webinar. And so Stefan Webinar has access to the account. You're collaborating with the account. And then when you're done collaborating, there's this drop down, and you can remove sharing right here. So you can either set as the owner, or you can remove the sharing. Let's go ahead and remove the sharing. Let's just say we're done collaborating. And then you remove, and then now you're no longer collaborating on your account. So that's how to share your account. Quickly, let's go to the Help button on the main menu. Anyone that you're sharing your account with, the featured tutorial videos would be great for them to watch, maybe the first 2 or 3. They can go to the Help Center as well. Under Website Help, you'll find the featured tutorial videos. You'll find all sorts of different help here on our Help Center. So let's tab back over and go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to share your account, how to collaborate with a friend at Dataczar Connect.